If you want to use pro features of ChatGPT, but you don't want to pay $20 per month for the subscription, then this video is for you. OpenAI offers another alternative method using which you need to only pay whenever you will be using something within ChatGPT. Let's take an example. If you have requirement to use some of the pro features of ChatGPT, but the volume is not that much to spend $20 per month, then this particular method will help you in great way. So let me show you very quickly how can you use this alternative method to use ChatGPT. Currently I'm in Google homepage, and there if I just type chatgpt.com, then I'll be able to see this particular console. Now I already logged in using one of the ID where I don't have the paid plan. Now if I click here and then I click on upgrade plan, you can see it's showing $20 per month. Now let me show you the alternative way I was talking about, using which you can still use the pro feature but without spending a fixed $23 per month. Instead of that, you will be only paying as per your usage. First of all, I'll log off from ChatGPT. I'll open another tab, and there I'll open platform.openai.com. And if I hit enter, then I'll be able to see a different console altogether. This particular interface is made for developers, but as an end customer of generative AI, we can still use some of the capabilities of this particular platform. First of all, let me log in. I'll click on login. Then I'll select this continue with Google. Now here I'll use one of the ID which I used earlier. If I click here, then it will log me in and it will show me the same interface again. Now here you can see this is a clean interface. What we need to do, we need to click on Playground. And here you will be able to use your prompts and you will be able to use all the features. Let me show you one by one. First of all, you will be able to select multiple different models. And this is not only the models which are in production. Some of the models which are in beta version or under some testing, those also will be available here. You can see all old models also are available here. GPT 3.5, 4, all variants of 4, and with the new one, GPT-4o and GPT-4o mini, everything is available. So you can select the model as per your requirement, and then you will be able to use your prompt. So you have the flexibility to use any of the LLM models as per your requirement, because some of the models are fine-tuned to perform better in certain scenarios, right? So you'll be able to utilize those benefits using this particular method. Now, second thing is your model configuration, their model temperature. Now, what does it mean? If we have one selected, then it will give you a balanced output. But if you need some creative responses where you don't need the actual or factual data, then you can increase this temperature, and based on that, the specific model will respond. Now, there are multiple other nitty-gritty on all these parameters, but this is the one maybe as an end consumer we can use. If you want to generate something where some additional creativity is required, then you can increase this temperature. Now, I'll not go through these all options because these are required in case you are in development of any of the models. Let me know if you are still interested for this kind of details, then I'll record another video where I'll cover all those specific parameters also. Now let me quickly show you that how can you enable this option, because you need to fund your account to utilize this particular option. Now if I go here in my profile and then I click on your profile, then you will be able to see your profile details. There one option is there, that is billing. And here you can see I have some $5 balance. So for you need to add your credit card, and from there you can add some $2, $3 or $5 as per your requirement, and then you will be able to utilize this particular method. Considering I already have the balance, I'm not adding that thing. I'm coming back in this playground and I'll use some prompt, and then I'll show you how much is it costing. If I click on playground, then if I use this prompt, I run a technical blog where I test different electronic gadgets and phones to share useful informations with my website visitors. Please help me with 10 trending topic ideas on this which can help me. Then if I click on run, it will execute that particular prompt and it will give me the responses. Now this is giving me the response. You can see how much time it took, how many tokens have been used, everything. Now if I show you something that how much it costed me, then let me go to my profile again. I'll click on your profile, and there if I click on usage, you will be able to see 13 November I used this particular prompt which costed me $0.01. So you will be paying as you use ChatGPT Pro features. You don't need to pay $20 per month. If you use, don't use, you don't need to pay in that way. So if you want to use ChatGPT Pro features, but you don't want to pay $20 per month because you don't have the volume or you don't use it that frequently, then this can be another alternative. So hopefully this will be helpful. I recorded another video where I talked about certain ChatGPT alternatives if you don't want to pay $20 per month, but still you want to use majority of the prominent features, and that too from different applications. Check out this video to know everything about it.